Hello people, hello everyone. How una day today? Yes, now your sister, your friend, your girl, Hifda TV. Hifda TV is here again, guys. Alright, this time message why I bring again. Oh, I don't think say this thing now you don't get too much. Oh. Anyway, this matter na about Lolo and Monica, once a best friend, now they don't turn to another thing. All right, people, don't come for me because this matter not be my own. But what I want to talk be say, I just want to use this opportunity to advise them, like seriously, may they take things easy with themselves, okay? Because the time when they play, they don't know say they will fight like this, so they don't know say you go talk to another thing, like you keep secrets for this one, you keep secrets for this one. At the end, you not they expose yourself. All this thing for me, it don't make you mature, really. Okay, before now, Lolo now he talk say. Monica, they sleep around, they do this, they do that. And I saw Papa Owala, and I saw they sleep with her, this and that. Now, finally, now Monica, now he still come out, they expose Lolo, say, now so Lolo, they sleep around with other people. Man, this thing is really getting too much. For how long will you people take this? How long will you handle this matter? I just want make una balance this matter, like way and like this. Balance and make you know, say this thing where you they do, good. At least if you balance am, you go know the one way good and you go know the one way not good. Throw away the one way not good, take the one way good in. That is my advice to you guys. All right, I don't want to talk too much because if I dey talk too much, it go be like say I dey waste una time. Make una just go straight, make una listen to this audio where I want to play for una, my people. Because this thing, my ear, only my ear not go hear am. That's why I say, okay, make I still bring a call for my viewers. Make them see what they happen. Because I don't tire, I don't know how they want to handle this matter. Alright, guys, if you know you haven't subscribed to this channel, kindly press that subscribe button. And press that notification bell as well so that you will be notified anytime I post a video. Thank you and God bless every one of you. Enjoy your view. Enjoy this video. Have a nice day till I come your way next time. Love you guys. Bye bye.
Fuck you that time. May God punish you and Chelsea. You and Chelsea not be fucking mates. Afternoon like this, my people, as afternoon just be so. He go down the bath since morning. I say where you the bath they go because no man. Igwe, hear this thing where I want to talk if not like your wife not the bath except say he they go, he get where he they go. Otherwise, she not go bath. She go there so in the evening she wants if she wants sleep, now she the bath. Early morning like this, person when me don't they used to know say now in the evening she take the bath. I'll come see say she the bath in the morning. Where you come still they go? He go say no, Chelsea they bring soup come for her. I say, oh, Salo, boy, this soup today now. Wow, which soup be this? He go say spinach. Chelsea, you know they use spinach cut the fucker in the afternoon. Chelsea, you where everybody know where the fuck people where they go. Now she talking. Oh, what bon mama where? Oh, so sauga deji. Iya mo wana nwebe na uwe de yosa abere we yi ba Chelsea resita dia eyan girlfriend the water nu gwagwa uwe wa dogboma ohun mo to gbuwa eva uwa warrior ima keep the secret nu wa warrior wa gbon nu ana mu won me gie won me banga won me spinach obi gbo you fit talk say you no know say Chelsea they bring baga soup for afternoon and the spinach soup. You fit to say you don't know. Why it be say na so afternoon when you not there ass. Now they bring the soup come. No worry. When Chelsea you come. We come greet each other. My girlfriend go come tell me say, okay now babe, later. He will gear because oga save gear. If he go do this thing, no go lie. They know they do a quick. Era maybe je me day. He must dead there oh may remain small make the cash on. Me wake on the fear na me say he they pretend because I the fear make shame me they not call cash you come take rob me join and worry about bon. If I dey go work or we want go party say babe may you try bring this one come make me put this one join her. You will see, if you know see, tell me, no problem. He go say, no worry, me I made 2 calls. No worry about bon. He go say, me I made 2 calls to some people. Before me come from work, he go say, he don't make the 2 calls, no problem. One of the 2 must drop. No worry, yeah. If you say me go work 4 hours drop, he go say that 4 hours. Now one person he go call, we go bring her for her. Nah lie, oh, all of them they do free toto. They will promise they not they bring come. Chelsea go come bring soup come in the afternoon. They go come tell me so okay now babe bye bye. They go say oh that time Ugochukwu never start school. He never start school. No go wa. Chelsea go they come go bring Snoopy. Only am a Snoopy now when the baba dede. You know you but why you know you go talk say you don't know everybody for Germany no everybody know may God punish you as Chelsea. Chelsea, you say you want come beat me for your girlfriend. Come beat me. Come beat me because you really talk and say Ugbama wa be Nigeria una le webo. Ask your mama Chelsea mama te bonding for one father. He say na so Chelsea constantly come. If person mama spoil, una dey hear and when go they use and they do video. He go say if your papa spoil, na so pikin go spoil. If your mama spoil, na so pikin go spoil. Chelsea no know his papa. He never tell where Chelsea know his papa. Chelsea, you tell me, not be your girlfriend. They tell me all this thing. May God punish you. You just say I don't know since I say me and leave you out of it. Te one bon where he where gume one year to detail warrior. One spinach do ya we van warrior. Ware Nigeria we ake telephone we bo gason warrior. Abi when Italy ya fo. Egani manare Germany no na mu mare Germany Chelsea. U go aba mason. Now even that day my husband even know Chelsea yo. Wa kulua irishe nu ya fiobojo we moto ona ye do nyakon wa yoto una in front of our ass he not remember to wear jeans my say me can't do a funny thing for her. Hey Lolo don't come here carry and enter us like how my husband take they play. He reach there Lolo no wear he open his jeans down worry about bon. Hey Lolo matama we na we hey Lolo u get wa me notice. O woman umakwe trouser we urugu imoto okpia na ya ogwa we nu gwogo abagbon nu worry e we wa ya we be na we wo se nu we manakwe jeans yen gwa be Chelsea gwa be afio bojo de no fio bojo gbeluwa e Chelsea de kwemu ogwogwe if I say I will beat an a mad woman. I don't be mad woman at the time where I keep una have fuck as una they use banga and spinach till they fuck. You not call me mad woman that time. When you they call me Mama the Mama Monica because he keep a secret in one warrior and boy. The time when you go bring one woman where they husband ask for Belgium. I'll say me I make sure in there just no go backbone white bell. The time when you bring that woman come for Belgium, not be your friend, tell me your girlfriend, tell me say the woman they husband ask. Say Chelsea for nowhere. Wait, Chelsea for nowhere. May I play this thing? Maybe you dey listen. Eh? Okay, people, wife, they go say, now be the thing where they worry you, Chelsea. Wait, be say close to me, you get a passport, you go see accident. Where they come seize your passport, Chelsea, you tell me all this one, not be your girlfriend, and they talking. Where you they do people, why? That's why the thing they worry you. You dey craze, you dey man, you go Nigeria, you no fit come back. I did there, not be your girlfriend they talking. You dey craze. You where they use baga soup, can't they fuck am. The baga soup, he go come keep small for your husband. If your husband come, he go talk true. Useless man like you also, elderly man when don't know himself. You now, you know fit talk true because free thing na be your thing. If your wife he bring free money, come man, when not they ask your wife not they work. If he they spend small money where they give her, you know they ask her where he for see and no, he not consign you. So far he bring money come ulele. Emi dame buwe wa gbok bi emi die your mion. Prostitute, ask prostitute where you get, you did there, you they call Chelsea, they will beat me. The one where your wife don't do or anything, they don't beat her. Me, I even cash your wife 100 times. Your wife not see me for anyone. You don't know what the people tell me. Now he turned them to they be my boyfriend. He on we behold her. He come here for the event that day. Now me use that look and very on here. I tell me one thing. Tell by yourself. Talk at you only not coming. Eh? Tell by yourself. Talk and finish. Where the no do to me? We in Nigeria. Where was sunu? Where there your salon boy? Hey, mauvais save where Jesus, not in my house, not a gay, please. No worry, yeah. Or it's a live video well. I'm not going here. When you are munujo I'm a velek wa ya. When no milk me no mo say when no word doma. Lolo take your time go mete ya fo. He was say we are become me na wo say na when he was say so I we are zoo. Me. Did they where Chelsea they bring una where they bring us come from Frankfurt party? After una don't leave our house, you don't know what you tell me. You the craze. You don't know what you tell me. You and Chelsea where they fuck on yourself any year. No be make me say you go on the Chelsea with my yiku. Idiots. Not be me stop huh? Say for Chelsea to carry your mo I'll the buy ticket for you mo they go mo no carry car again. Man, wait, be say anywhere where go, everybody say if they fuck people, now we go along. Rubbish. Obigbo, you know, not be me why even tell you. Because man supposed to know when be say every afternoon, na man where be una neighbor, tell they bring soup come when you not there. You supposed to know. When man they cook soup, go give married woman. Na toto they use and fuck. If you don't know Igbo, may you know. If you not there on a tribe, may you know. When man, another man or another boy will be your neighbor. If they cook soup, he go come dash your wife plate of soup, pot of soup. Na toto, na they shop in return. If he like, he go turn Chelsea to your friend, wanna be friend. Not be today, many useless married women like your wife, they turn their boyfriend to their husband friend. He don't say. Chelsea say, mad woman act because he don't fan one. He say, me te fan one. He say, me a fan ya fe na o me seve gbugwa eva no worry about bon. No gbe win saga. You carry us go party. Waga kwime yo mungwa nia. Mungwa ni na ya dia jo ene uwe no ton gbe bo we kia o yin win na unwo hia togbu because o se ga vian ma wo keke nu te epe. You carry us go party another day for another jama party. Not be domot everybody they ask me we malagwa domot you know ina we do hia pa ni e we do be notice we no tolo. Wa worry abagbon. Wa gbe o ame toge aogwe eniola o ayebe sonia why you not call that one still call her now why you cover up can't still talk that one. If you don't talk that one finish can't talk the one where happen for the event when you come o can't talk am useless as prostitute David na me help you that I wish I know that day. I wish I know that day, Jesus Christ. I for video waiting my eyes see small. But I not be like you. That's why you start on the video camera because you know say your own. Oh God, me money cannot. I for not betray you, I leave you. Idiot, because of money you want die. If you make 2 calls, you will make money where they make in a week. At the end of the day, you know see say useless has prostitute and shower money. He not fit con rich money caro. Nonsense. Beggy. Go they do beggy where you want go you UK. They send WhatsApp PayPal to people. Put money for me, please. Useless. All the proof they with me. Imwe hede na ale edi no kwa. Ngwabe Chelsea gbe saga. Chelsea no la lowo e. Chelsea no la lowo e. No worry about bon. Chelsea no la lowo gwa won banga. Oh why vare line na wa mo bi gbo no bi gbo fian gu because e se ti tagi yen man kinudo abi o ye Cameroon no Cameroon person won na put for us of Igbo Emmanuel Alaribe Cameroon man won na put for her wetin I know they remember their name because I know want to they keep record for her. I wish I know say na so e go do now. I forget plenty record where I go dey play for her right now. Who they put right there? You the Chris? Idiots. If they go put on for phone, Mona listen. He boyfriend, I be this one so.
Now, mama be one. Okay.
See,
okay, hold on.
you see, he tell Ovigbo me call her. Ovigbo me, I tell you now. We know the code. Why he not call Chelsea by himself? Make you see Chelsea name where Chelsea they call her. He come back first give your husband so that Chelsea go take gecko say my husband there and you there Chris. Ovigbo come ask me say Monica una te put the code me I put you throughout the code. Wa gion wa bon. If I cut this stream, I will cut and I'll come back and play the audio of one girl when your wife go visit. How to men take caller. For somebody here present, he said that one a mugu. He know the year. Rubbish. Wow, when I shower in me. On your say no, but when man I take back, because moga cover up in no. Mo cover up in no. Eke ya fe na riri la mo cover up in no. Me so e jame ju no. Hey, come on for that. Hey. If your husband not care, my own care. I beg. People care, please. Rubbish idiot. Now me stop this nonsense Chelsea. May not the carry us go party again. When you don't play the record for me, say area we hoya here or see an agbona logo. Chelsea get passport for Netherlands. Now so one room. Now so you know the fee pay. Government go throw away property several times. Television where this lady children get for inside room. Now the time where they throw away Chelsea load. Now he go carry that one from it. Chelsea load where they don't throw away for this Netherlands. Me go ya so as a boy ya stay go with Germany. As a boy ya stay go with the Hagi. As a boy na Nigeria ya gbe 1 year. Chelsea ni mwe pisha wela dian. Again una ya gbe 1 year the Africa nu wa eva na gbe love with telephone na screenshot we. Una doje be na redion wa. We ya na do ame de. Abioma time we. Wege nu guo die igare fun yin mi ya nu gwo wa ba gbon wa la lo we ba fan yin mi ya nu worry e ke Ovigbo ma se wo ye ki enye we ya valo viero we wa ge ki Chelsea ya gbon ni wo ye la Chelsea I valo we ne or Ovigbo go come back from work or we kun de pena o managi de treat we ni nenu we ni jeve no do tactic yon ga wa emu we na o wa uni ya ti tabe gbon worry ya bagbon zuo abi we ni na won we ti izuo I make ni na he we ni do play a record we ya we ma wo gbadu kie nyon we ta na eni ya fefefe nu ta yere go na manaze we Oge Chelsea or Bale Chelsea or meme ni adogbe umana meme hian ma emi ni mi e gbugwa eva o ma nu o ga ta mame e kia wo ye lene Chelsea de kia we ma e ma no we Chelsea ne la wa testify people mama twins for Germany we don't fuck Chelsea I bet all true Chelsea gets more penis Chelsea penis o ye gbagba Chelsea penis na so e be Rubbish. People when they enter our Fiokodi class that time on and talk true. When we go there inside Fiokodi class, this guy go they look another place. Una know what they do? Either he put Chelsea for line or he go put a ballot for line. A ballot go the year because a ballot need long time before he cassava go raise. A ballot go the year everything where we go they talk. Oh me kia man a video you got to get that's a lot boy. No me ana talk ba no I just say. Emi ke mi nera bi je mu ne mi na ONG e me ONG. Okay. People wait there for the club be mo na think at that time. Sometimes say we again na If way you they distract me, I dey here they talk, you they look another. He go say, I dey here now because for me go they tell me like, you understand now. I say no, they put that mouth for this thing, but they distract me because if I want to talk some kind of thing, I'll they laugh. Why me not see any good laugh because I'm mock me I said the bodoni. He go call a ballot for telephone when we day south yokodi. A ballot go carry cassava the show am. Yes, what it be name? Real nad Ajayi. Stop fooling yourself. I know what I'm talking about, and you know that I know what I'm talking about, you idiot. When we come to Endovi, did I not see something? Are you guys crazy? Idiots. When I was keeping everything for her, I was a martial lady. Now I can't be mad woman. We go Endovi, go drop me for train station. A ball follow us. Come outside. If say you want give me giza didn't enough fear for we reach train station. Rubbish people. That one also eva ya mwe. Ele. That one say want give me giza. Now you take follow us. Come out. I don't enter car the way for them. We give munusus we bebo. Na me ko do moto pimping. Abeg kon carry me go train station. A train manala. Melele. Ungo mi an yo wa me. Before I'll go here, I'll go sleep. Why I not go sleep that day? Wama no me? Because the planning was that he don't already tell your husband say he do go party. So your husband don't come on eye for that night. She not go come back house. But if me can't go sleep their place, if let me go and go out, they go say where she. That's why me say okay, me and Jojore. Because now that day be the first day we in with a ball of one disvirgin each other. Useless woman, are you mad? Not be end of it day on a disvirgin each other. We said go Italy. He kiss you. He tell me say, you know, he just kiss me. He just kiss me. Now wag him. I dare go woman J. Emma when we kiss him, no one watch a boy. We go mama we useless of big bonny man concern me. Wag him. I dare go one be my concern. Rubbish idiot.
Hello, Cheso. Ava.
Mona see the game. Mona see the game. Wait. Una see the game, eh? He come back first give your husband phone. Make call the Chelsea. Ovigbo, do you know the meaning of that? That is our code. Okay? Now, where your husband don't tell you, say, Mama want to talk to you. You don't already know, say your husband did there. So everything you go code. Now, our code be that. Now,
Okay, hold on.
Hello.
Now, Mama be one. Okay,
Just small.
Okay, hold on.
Hello, Cheso. Ava. Yeah, say they work. Bele.
Yeah, that will.
No, if more salon boy. Yeah. Eh? We want to talk to you.
Una see boyfriend and girlfriend. When boyfriend and girlfriend they talk in presence of husband, I know say they get as they be.
Okay.
Now me know your wife when you come to us.
After work now.
You don't know her. Idiot. Plenty day where.
You know this woman now.
Now I don't become amen. The time Eke Chelsea na wio. Eke Chelsea I want to onjere na ge caterpillar. Chelsea, I tell no say your penny is big. Now you go there, you go there show me. Rubbish, idiot. Afternoon week, but you know they ask. How come also afternoon another man, una neighbor, they bring soup come for your wife every afternoon. When children don't go school and when Ugochukwu they sleep, they don't give her plenty sweets. How come Ugochukwu kondo Uncle Chelsea Madonna, you know they know when your pikin, I bet my people may not know the cocoa now. If your small baby where they follow your wife, follow everywhere, can't know one uncle. Every time you see that uncle, Madonna, John knows say. Now that one that they bread that picking ya move ya. E can of your hand ye me go your hand jam when you worry about bon. The time 5 years ago when you go meet this woman party, I know if he go. I can't say I know if he enter train. Go and you know if he can't drop me. Make only you want go this woman party for Rotterdam. They will not soon veva. I know I just said. They will not soon veva. Wabeta. No ni sa me go we mama me beton surprise we abi we Monica made de because ekwe mu me ni aya tinya e obungbe ekwe mu me adu ihia teyafo atu gba me ni je ihia bi lalagbo no mama ave so ni me yu nu kan imana tai dan won era me bi je me ma bie mense beti o e da dore ni ge ni mu khoye e recording a o wa we me pe o me ge ni be mu khoye o ge Chelsea na Chelsea re do lad yan cover up igbo waiva ashawa agba shawa e Chelsea na gbo be mi gba e no fuck you obo kin re ki win an do gbe me e kila o gele wukin kila
I did tell you.
I did tell you una sia he husband carry phone say mama want talk to you mama una hear anything where mama talk now because two of them no fit talk if they want go talk for back just now they'll say mommy Monica ni ka tama we te ge we kai anu want talk boy because mo sie na jena wo sie na jena debe nu le we emi go leba umado sie mi ekwekia you we wo emi na jena Chelsea no ro ipiti inu because ganina kateta wuwewu Isaac benari yewen na wuga respect me go me wari yewen wuwe sisu yego ekwiko dana oni uyego Chelsea de UK man oga wuwe na bugbege osti okpa o baba ne baba Stanley Chelsea also de UK and Chelsea cassava na so it be my people Chelsea cassava oye na ekwa bolo oye gbagbagba. When you see Chelsea